Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You need the essentials: a charged headset, correct cable, and the Razer Synapse app if using USB. First, plug the BlackShark V2 X into the correct port and reseat the connector to rule out loose contact. Once done, open sound settings and choose the headset as the input device. If you're on Windows, set it as default and test recording levels. On Mac OS, pick it in sound preferences. These steps eliminate most hardware and basic system selection issues quickly. Now focus on software. Update or reinstall Razer Synapse, then update the Realtek or USB audio driver. Drivers often fix device recognition. Next, open Synapse or Windows mic settings to raise gain and disable any apps that take exclusive control. Make sure privacy permissions allow mic access for your apps. Test in multiple applications and on a second PC or phone to determine if this is a system-specific issue or a headset fault. These steps diagnose driver and permission causes. Finish by isolating hardware faults. Swap the cable or adapter and inspect the mic boom connector for bent pins or corrosion. If your headset supports firmware reset, perform it. That can revive muted mic firmware states. If the mic still fails, test with a known working mic or headset on the same port to confirm whether the problem is the BlackShark or your system. Troubleshooting tip: if nothing works, document tests and contact Razer support with results and purchase proof for quicker RMA help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.